Srinabi. यहाँ यसो त ल ओके आज हामी के पकाउने ग्यास नुडल्स हैन ल त्यसो भए मामा कम क्लोज यहाँ के छ सबै भन ल यस के फर्स्ट यहाँबाट सुरु गर व्हाट इज दिस
egg
अनि यो
noodle
अनि यहाँ यो
chicken
mhm
cabbage
mhm
carrot onion pepper tomatoes
okay so we have all यहाँ यो पनि भन्नु पर्यो नि त यो के हो म सिकाउँछु this is soy sauce
ketchup chili green sauce
yeah green chili sauce and it's
no I'll just say it.
Okay.
Garlic
it's garlic so
and
noodles so you ready to cook म हेल्प गरिदिन्छु ल तातो होला नि त जस्ट बी केयरफुल है हजुरले अहिले हेर्ने अनि बिस्तारै बिस्तारै सिक्ने है ल
Papa
हजुर
okay Chowmin
अब can you hold this for me
okay
okay म हाल्छु है अब यसमा अनियन्स हाल्ने अनि बिस्तारै मजाले पकाउने तिमीलाई नुडल एकदम मनपर्छ है सुनाबी
chicken pani अनि अन्डा pani अन्डा यहाँ त्यो प्यानमा हाल्ने त्यो पनि पकाउने अन्डा यहाँ
सुनाबी
हजुर
now it's a noodle time
yeah
get ready
okay
all right just like that
no I can do it no I don't need help
okay that's enough
now wait next is
just a little bit
turmeric
okay that's enough I guess just a little okay I'll show you how to do it okay like that we serve
why did you say we need a little bit
leave it what
chicken I forgot Papa, let's give it to Mama.
okay
Wow, let it go. Sorry.
how is that mama
Double. It's yummy.
how's that
Yummy.
Like
how's it Tsunami
Yummy.
yummy chicken noodles right
Yes.
bye Tsunami
Bye.